Go down the hallway.
Yeah, upgrade. We get all got headphones now. We can hear each other.
Except for Taylor.
My first time cooking beef jerky or beef jerky.
Have you had
Parker.
Look at that. We're all about the same except Parker. Top.
I could stare at you for 100 years and I never would again.
I can't.
You were beautiful, just like
Vlog. I have kind of an issue. I don't know if it's that big of an issue. Well, okay, so Charter Settlement is 27 minutes away. I'm supposed to be at a place in 4 minutes, and it's 25 minutes, so we're chilling. Okay, vlog. I made it to the illicit house. We're golden. We are rolling. Alright, and so you guys are just talking to me. Yeah, you've been through this. So I'll get you guys to introduce yourself and your role within illicit.
flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been.
Good luck. That was a good chat. Now we go. You should. Yeah.
Hello everyone, how's the vlog doing today?
We out here.
Cut!
We outside.
We in.
We inside.
This close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy. Somewhere in between. Somewhere in between.
Gotta film the vlog.
You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears and I wouldn't let you win. But you feel I feel, together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change.
Not vlogging? Oh.
Wait, now it is.
Hey vlog, what is up? We're out here at the car meet. Pretty good turnout if you ask me. Show them the scene.
Yeah.
Darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt
that size. That's
Yeah.
That's actually kind of legendary.
Oh, that was a good feed though.
Yeah, it was.